Boytrendz official presents BREAKTIME EP.03 Season 2 at Treehouse Chill and Grill.
What time is it? It's BREAKTIME Season 2 EP.03 and we are here at Treehouse Chill and Grill because we will be performing tonight.
As we celebrate the 20th birthday of Queen Aaron. And we congratulate Matthew C. Basak for being with honor at Asian Learning Center.
Yay! Yan guys, so what are you waiting for? Let's explore and experience here at Treehouse Chill and Grill. Tara!
Treehouse Chill and Grill is located at Basak Elementary Road before Modena, Lapu-Lapu City. What are you waiting for? Let's chill daily here at Treehouse Chill and Grill. They are open Monday to Thursday, 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. and Friday to Sunday, 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. Hep hep hep, there's more! Jam with the Acoustic Duo every Friday to Sunday, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Tara na! Let's dine and chill while enjoying the enchanted nature feels here at Treehouse Chill and Grill.
Welcome to Treehouse Chill and Grill! It's time for Kainan na! Cheers! Let's chill and unwind here at Treehouse Chill and Grill. And here's the food that they serve. We have here the
Special 16cc guys for 250 pesos.
the sweet and sour squid for only 180 pesos.
And the soda or isado for only 190 pesos.
Last but not the least, the tuna panga worth of 450 pesos.
Yun guys, and aside from this special menu na deserve nila for tonight's dinner, and also daghan-daghan ng klase ng mga putahe ang pwede ninyong pagpilian diri sa Treehouse Chill and Grill. Sa pa yung gihuwan? Ali na! Entertain you guys. And aside from that, today we are celebrating the special day of Zoe Camera's 20th birthday.
My name is Zoe. I'm now 20 years old, and yes, that's all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Everybody, my name is Matthew and I'm 17 years old.
Congratulations! Once again, we are the BREAKTIME Idols, and we will rate this tour for 5 stars. By the way, this is Idol Keji,
Idol Zion, Idol Mark,
Idol Aaron,
Idol Kian.
and thank you for watching this BREAKTIME episode. See you next time.